Rattlin Roarin Willie, oh, he held tae the fair, and for to sell his fiddle and buy some other ware. But pardon we, his fiddle is saut, here blin't is he, and Rattlin Roarin Willie, you're welcome hame to me. Oh, Rattlin Roarin Willie, oh, he held tae the fair, and for to sell his fiddle and buy some other ware. But pardon we, his fiddle is saut, here blin't is he, and Rattlin Roarin Willie, you're welcome hame to me. Oh, Willie can sell your fiddle and sell your fiddle sae fine. Oh, Willie can sell your fiddle and buy a pint of wine. If I should sell my fiddle, the warl would think it was much, for mony a rantin day my fiddle and I he had. As I come by Crochal a Cadillac he could ben, Rattlin Roarin Willie was sitting at John Borden, sitting at John Borden among good company. Rattlin Roarin Willie, you're welcome hame to me.